To all our lesbian youth, gays, bisexual, transgender, whatever it is that you think you might want to do to drastically end your situation or even end your life, I beg you to stop right now. My name is Bobby Martino. I grew up being called different, eccentric, weird. But you know, this very difference became the very center of who I am, of my creativity, of my originality. Yes, there were tears in my pillow, but this was the very sentiment that I used for my final song for Cameron Mackintosh, Somewhere. There's a place for us. There's a time for us. I grew up in Manila. In 2 weeks' time, I changed my life. I was in London to open the original production of Miss Saigon. I live in New York now. It does get better. I can never promise you how much time it will take humanity to embrace the enlightenment of acceptance that we are who we are. But I can promise you that not a single day where we don't work, give our time, give our effort, so that things will get better. And you are the very heir of this work. I promise you, it will get better.